mainit yun eh. Hindi ba? Yung bawon ako lang.
Snobbish.
Mike!
Para mas takbo din yung amang ha.
Ayan.
Go, go.
May nakasmile na.
Bukas, dadalawin na tayo. Nabot ko ka pre.
Babasa na ako sa kulang dito na
Yeah. Yeah.
Babasa ko.
Alright. Yeah.
Ayun, tol.
Yeah. Nice one. Nice one.
Tawal na muna na kumakain, no?
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Alright, next one. Sorry.
Kumain ka na.
Sorry. Gulat na. Nice one. Near. Mali kayo eh. Dapat kinakamay yan eh. Kaya nga may ano eh.
Oo nga eh.
Oo. Kaya nga may ano eh. Tawag dito. Saging. Diba. Dapat kinakamay yan, diba? Yeah.
Camels.
Oh.
Galing pala magluto.
Pinuna yung tabi eh. Yung kanya lang yun.
Blueprint for disaster. Tuesday night on Discovery.
Kumain ka kalon.
Here. Yun yung spirit eh, kinakamay. Mali sila eh. Kinukutsara.
Tinalok pa pasarap dyan, di ba? Nasyaman.
Tomorrow morning, he'll get his chance. It's 5 a.m. in Charlotte, North Carolina. In 4.5 hours, one of the largest classes to be held anywhere on Earth this year is going to go down.
Si John po,
To be on site today, every worker must sign in to the exclusion zone.
Yeah.
Before the blast can happen, every worker must sign out of the zone. This last-minute work is all about safety. Crews fill any gaps in the protective barrier that encompasses the blast site. Steve's been up for hours. He's overseeing the installation of the final bit of
Yeah.
This way will hold down the geotech.
Tipid ah, di ba?
Tipid, no?
The air inside is pushed out by the force of the blast.
Green.
Kill. Fatality.
Several of his colleagues enter the building to do their final check. When they exit, they are the last people to all of memories.
Di ba, di? Pare, gusto ko magluto ka bukas ulit. Tagka 30 pesos
When
kami.
Steve emerges,
Gusto mo pumasa sa training?
Yun eh.
Yeah, bakit ayaw mo pumasa sa training?
Ganun lang yun, di ba?
His two sacrificial demo cams were set yesterday, one in the basement and the other on the roof.
Once a week pwede.
He chose his camera angles days ago, but now, in part due to an unexpected rainstorm, everything's changing. As Brent positions himself on a deck across the street from the blast site, he sees a work crew coming towards him with a roll of protective sheeting.
I have no idea right now where this